Welcome to another vlog, folks. Whoops.
Present. Anybody jumps ever again, they get naughty.
It's a debate, child against child, on whose parents' fault it was.
Whose fault is it, Scar?
Daddy!
Mummy's fault? Whose fault is it, Bossy?
Daddy!
Daddy's fault? What did Daddy do wrong?
Mummy, it's Mummy's fault! Okay, it's Mummy.
Everywhere.
Boston said it's Mummy's fault.
No.
Where are we going?
Big Roddy's.
Big Roddy's? So we're going to a place called Big Roddy's, and they've just got a new location, so it's one of the best rib places you can go to in Brisbane. Big Roddy's? Who's it booking for?
Very Fink.
No, I didn't order that. Someone in the kitchen stocked up.
Yummy?
Yeah. I didn't know that I got 2 food.
What's up, boss?
I didn't know that I got 2 food.
Like it? Oh, Big Roddy's, so good.
Wow.
How much better is it than that place we didn't spend $1 million on in America?
You know what I like most about it tonight?
What?
All the free wings we got.
Oh yeah, for some reason we got given like a bunch of extra wings, so much so that we're taking it all home. Yeah, so we're gonna head home now. Yeah, lightning and storm is going crazy at the moment. It started to rain, but there's a crazy lightning storm. Hopefully I can get some of the footage on the way home because it looks sick. Damn, this storm is no joke. We just had to go all around the neighborhood looking for our dogs. Our dogs went missing. This storm's crazy. The only thing I might be concerned now is all this water would have made its way on the track, so... Unfortunately, the saying is it never rains, it pours. It is what it is. The thing is, I used to love rain, and now the rain is like destroying the track. I don't want rain anymore, so with any luck, we can continue this fundraiser, guys, and get this money together, and then stuff like this will be fun again and not giving me anxiety. I'm sure you guys can hear that on the camera. That's hectic. Hectic thunder and lightning. It's really crazy tonight. It was raining so heavily just before that the streets were flooding completely. That's why I'm like, the track's going to be a bit messed up for sure, so. Shit. I'm on to something new now, guys.
When you walk to Zarappa, sorry about the wait.
Can I please get a Maasai ice latte with a shot of caramel, thanks?
Maasai ice latte with caramel. Did you want an extra shot of coffee in that one?
Sure.
Sorry, was that a yes?
Yes, thanks.
Yep, great. So, anything else for today?
That's all, thank you.
That's $7.35, drive through the last window.
So Adam LZ got me onto the cold brews from Starbucks while I was over there, and I really liked them, and I've been trying to find something from Zarappa's that's the same, and I got onto it. It's literally just a nice latte with caramel on it, but they call it something weird at Starbucks to make it sound more fancy, but it tastes exactly the same as this, and I'm a bit hooked on it. Thanks, Adam. I'm trying to cut down on my morning coffee thing because of my whole diet, but yeah, these things happen. Well, unfortunately, guys, she won't be mine anymore. I don't know, someone mentioned to me about trying to do a raffle with this car to get it gone. I went and put that up just on my personal page last night with 200 spots at 150 bucks each, so I can basically, it means the car's technically sold for 30 grand, and that'll allow me, I'm going to literally just chuck 20 of that straight into this, getting this track done. And yeah, I'm a little bit devo, to be honest. This is literally one of my dream cars. I went for a ride in one a long time ago, and I wanted one ever since, and then when the opportunity came up to get one, you know, I got it. And this one is a sick one too, like high mount, Haltech, everything. Like, someone's gonna win this for literally 150 bucks. And it was all just off my friends list on Facebook as well, guys. So thank you to everybody that is watching this, that is on there and gone through and done that little raffle thing. It sucks for me personally, because like I love that car, but we need to get this track done. So mega downgrading cars from a JZX 110 to a G37. The G37's not going to be ready for a couple of weeks because it's a repaired vehicle. It needs to go through the right avenues to have it fixed properly. Well, it's already fixed. It was only a tap, but it needs to be checked. It's just this thing here in Australia. And yeah, so that has to be checked over. So yeah, now we only have one car on the road. Man, it's crazy. I've sold so many cars lately. Like before the States, we sold the 8.6 and 2 G35s. Just sold the 110. Tiana's 8.6 got sold as well. Like, yeah, so we've got like 2 months till, well, a month and a half to 2 months till the G35 is done, because as you guys saw in the vlog, Tiana wanted it one colour, so the guy is going to paint the parts that weren't the right colour, or have it painted professionally, and it has to get off WOVA, which is basically, like I said, the Australian. They just basically check to make sure the repairs were done 100%, which it literally had a broken headlight and a quarter and a bumper. Like, the things they write cars off over these days is actually ridiculous. So yeah, we need a second car. So the idea is to register Tiana's two-tone, her mint two-tone. So we need to basically pull that out at some point, maybe today, and start going over that and getting it ready for the road. Not that it really needs anything, it's more just like check it, make sure brakes work and all of that sort of stuff if she's going to daily it around for, you know, the next 2 months. So I think we got to find some wheels for it, because if I remember correctly, we got rid of because it came with ugly Driftex, and it needs to be raised a bit. The thing is like way low, so I need to raise it, put some wheels on it. I have some wheels around, so yeah, we'll work it out. But sad day, guys. Obviously, we've still got the Raptor, but being that we are a busy couple, we are a busy family, we do need the second car. So our only option right now is to put Tiana's two-tone on the road. So I think that'll be the go. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Only a short one again. Track is on tonight, so I'll have another vlog going later today. But it's Thursday night, we've got the track. If you're watching this live with me now, head down to the track this afternoon, 4 till 8 drifting. Hopefully I'll get a chance to jump in someone's car, because I still don't have my coilovers, but they are being built at the moment for my 350Z. So yeah, I'll see you down there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to donate to help this track get done, so I think with the JZX 110 sold, the GoFundMe's at like 13, so like, yeah, we've still got a long way to go to get up to the 70, but we're getting there with all your guys' help. If you can, donate below and let me know. Alright, thanks guys.